Yep. Oh, I'm excited for you though. I'm excited for you because I already know for you, once it starts rolling, like that's it.
Oh, bro, this is a six-figure industry that I'm gun ho and going all in on. So I'm
Yeah,
super excited.
I'm excited for you, bro. Because I know for me, I looked into it back in the day, like I said, and I just was like, do I really want to jump into this? Like one of those. So,
Well, now you know somebody that's willing to take all the risk.
hey, let's get it. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, Legacy. Hopefully, you're ready to trade this morning. Where is. I don't know why. My chat's not pulling up. What is going on here? Nvidia ain't going up much today. It happens sometimes. It can't go. It can't pump every day, bro. It can't pump every day. I know we wish it could, but can't pump every day. Hopefully you guys are ready to trade today. I know I'm ready to trade. I'm excited to trade. Why is this being fugazi right now? Why is my stuff being fugazi? What's up, Zooted? Thank God I can see that chat on my OBS because right now my third party chat is not working right now. It's supposed to show me all my chats and it's showing me only one. There we go. There we. All right, now we're good. Man, taking forever. There we go. I need to turn my music up for me just a little bit. Need to get cranky. Just yeah, right there. Well, we're back. It's time to make some more money a day. Right now, we've literally been consolidating since I'd probably say 640. 640, the market has been consolidating. And since it's been consolidating, that means we gotta wait for the move. There's no reason to rush the process because at the end of the day, we get paid to be patient. So, tip for you today, be patient. Yeah, because we're sitting right here at this pivot on the trading view. This whole week, my pivots have not been lining up with my Ninja Trader pivots. So I don't like that off rip. But we got a pivot right here at 195. 195 for this pivot. But for me, if we stay below that pivot, I expect us to push back down, maybe to like the the low, overnight low, 113.50, or even the low from yesterday, 29,875. Our VWAP is currently sitting up there at 284, 284 for that VWAP. And then our 21 EMA 211.50. And we got 278 level, 75 for the close from yesterday. What is up, BP? The man, the myth, the captain.
That was a pretty good response time.
Hey, we'll take that.
What's up, Duane?
Man, he was testing me. When he says that was a pretty good response time, that means he was sitting there waiting. Let's see how long it takes for him to respond to me while he's. I didn't even know he was on the Zoom call. That's crazy.
I did sneak in here.
Be your own people. Be your own people.
How are you feeling going into today?
That's a loaded question, BP. That's a loaded question. Because I'm feeling good. I woke up today, but I have not liked the price action this week. I have not been a big fan of the price action because it hasn't been having the full follow through. Like, we've gone up, we've gone down, but there hasn't been that complete follow through that I like to see with the momentum when jumping into trades. So I'm honestly, today I'm going to be real tight to the chest, waiting for the moves. We got news at 9:45, news at 10:30, news at 11. So we're going to be holding and waiting today because I want to get in the markets clean as possible. But I'm also not willing to risk anything because I have one eval I got to trade. I got to make another $392 to clean up the micro scalping rule with Tradeify. So I'm going to try hitting that today, clean that bad boy up so that way that could be another funded account. Now we need one more funded to be fully funded with Tradeify. What's up, G? Good morning, sir.
What up, G Unit?
Good morning, guys.
Morning, moves. Man, everybody's jumping in here now.
Trying to make some money.
Right there with you. If I accidentally make like $4,000 a day, your boy will be happy. If I can make like that 4,000, I'm not copy trading today because this week my copy trader has not been acting right. So not liking that feeling. Yep, 9:45, 10:30, and 11:09 for the news this morning. Let me see if that's my landscaper. BP, what are you feeling for today?
So looking at this current open, we just kind of have to like dump down and recorrelate because NQ's already technically taken out some pre-market lows and ES has not yet.
How far down do you think? Because I know we got that overnight low down there at 113.50. Good morning, Rob. Good morning, Noah. Good morning, gentlemen. Hopefully you guys are ready for today.
ES doesn't have to drop much, just like kind of like 5 to like 4 points, something like that.
Oh. Yeah, that's not too
Higher
far.
time frame, which is actually kind of surprising. Like, did the candle shrink all of a sudden?
Did the candles shrink?
Like, it's not having as much volume.
All I know is we've been consolidating since about like 6:40 this morning. And from consolidation, the move happens. And that's what we'll be waiting for. I want to see some solid momentum today. Like I said, if I could hit for a couple G's a day, your boy may take a payout today. If I hit for a couple G's. If I don't hit for a couple G's, I won't be taking a payout because I want to leave a little buffer in there. But just so all you guys know, since we got more of y'all in here this morning, tomorrow morning, sadly, I will not be live trading with you guys. My daughter, she's graduating from her elementary school, going to middle school. So I gotta be a dad tomorrow morning. I called the school. I'm like, hey, I stream every morning. Could we push this award ceremony to like 11? They said they couldn't because of all these other factors. So sorry, gentlemen. There'll be no trading tomorrow morning. But for all my market makers, you guys feel free to jump on the call still together.
I gotta work in the morning.
Well, you won't be jumping on. There's Mark. Oh, well, there's market open. We started pushing up there before market open even happened. Here we go. Oh God, not again. We got candle with the crazy wick. Listen, this week the wicks have been pissing me off. I don't like when the candles have all these crazy wicks on them. Yeah, I'm holding and waiting. I'm not even, my eyes are closed. I'm not even looking at these markets. Let me actually get this chart fixed. And let's get some doodles. We need our doodles for today.
Woo!
I know G did something.
Nope.
Look at this candle with the wick though. That's why I'm not, that's been all week this week. We've had these candles with the double-sided wick, so you can't really distinguish which direction it truly wants to go. Yeah, I hate that. I freaking hate that. Because like right now, it's like, it's completely even. Bulls aren't winning, bears aren't winning. We're in the middle. Like, don't know what to tell y'all. But stay safe in these crazy old choppy markets.
Yep.
All right, back below the pivot, which was at 195. Cleared out a previous candle wick as well.
Yeah, that is definitely recorrelated.
Okay, we recorrelated. So all bets are off.
Actually, that's not true.
Oh, you said we recorrelated.
We did, but then it spiked down too far and took Asia.
What did we take on ES?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm like, not on Nasdaq because we got dropped down to that 113.
Yeah, the liquidity from Asia on ES is already taken, so I wouldn't be surprised if some buyers step in. But I would not be able to do anything until the sweeping candle gets close above.
All right, so the cap said no trades, so I'm listening. Because, boy, we ain't trying to give no money back today. Yeah, this week I've been annoyed with my copy trader. Like, slightly annoyed with that thing. Just acting up like a child.
You have to probably reset it.
Yeah, it's just annoying. Yeah, we got news at 9:45. News at 9:45 today. So with that being said, I won't take a trade right at 9:46 because news is coming out at 9:45.
You have a lot of news today. 9:45, 10:30, 11, and 11:30, and then 1 o'clock again.
Yeah. Well, I'll be here for the 9:45, the 10:30, and maybe I'll wait a few extra seconds for that 11. And then I gotta jump on that. I gotta handle some stuff for one of the businesses today. And just keep it moving. Good morning, Johnson. 3862. I'm not even gonna try pronouncing your name.
It's going.
Looks like a left, right shoulder, middle head pattern, potential bearish.
75. It's gonna go up to, I think it's gonna go up to 275 to the VWAP. Oh no. Shit.
Yeah, the VWAP is up there.
Yeah.
And we got that 278.50 for the close from yesterday. We're still in this. We're still in this area that we've been consolidating in for most of the morning. So for me, I'm not really excited yet. I want to get out of the consolidation zone so we can start seeing what this thing really wants to do today. All right, we're going up, getting ready out. We'll see if we tap this VWAP. VWAP is approaching pretty quick here. VWAP sitting at 273.25. 273.25 is that VWAP. Hey, let's go, Niner. Niner's wild, man. He's been printing like crazy these days. I love to see his growth.
Short.
I would be careful with the short. We're in this consolidation area, so I ain't touching it with a 10-foot pole.
About 11.
11 and a half. I'll go 11 and a half maybe.
Oh yeah.
We're already above the 9 EMAs, so let's see if it goes up.
Right back up, Nasdaq. It's in that zone, that 260.
Yeah, all this area we've been consolidating. So
It touches 260, then it dropped right back down.
that's why I'm not like overly like excited yet, because we're still in this area that we've been just consolidating.
Where's Steve at?
Steve's not in here right now.
Oh wow, that's a. Where's that guy? Perfect.
No stream tomorrow morning. I'll be at graduation.
All right.
I'll be missing y'all though. I'm like, man, me and the boys were supposed to be full porting today for full port Fridays.
Shit, I'll see if I can hold. I'll see if I can hold the party up. I'll jump in and then I'll set one up. See if everybody else, whoever else wants to jump in.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
Try to stop in if I wake up.
What time is it over there? Where you at?
Oh, I be going to bed late sometimes.
What's late? To me, late is 11.
Like 4 hours after that.
Oh my god, yo! What do you do, bro? Like, you must watch every series on Netflix.
Yes, we'll just say yes.
We'll say yes.
Oh, he's the VP. He's the best player. He be killing them.
Oh, that's crazy. Yo.
I'm waiting for a solid flag to form.
Yo, these EMAs are all tied up together. I'm okay on this one.
Yeah, this is the part of trading that some people can't stand, is waiting. But the more you wait, the better the move.
No touching. No touching. Don't touch this.
Oh, if you want to touch this market right now, more power to you, because there's not a touch yet.
This is like almost suicidal.
If you like trading chop, then touch away. I know, bro. The price action this week has been trash. That's why today I'm like, you know what? Today's my last stream for the morning session for the week. I'm not jumping in just to jump in. Like, I gotta see some clean moves to want to jump in on.
Yeah, I have to go to
That biscuit ain't that good.
Yes.
The Noah. So the VWAP indicator that I use. Let me pull it up here. VWAP auto anchored. VWAP auto anchored. All right, slightly pushing back down here. Still in the consolidation zone. So not excited.
Right now.
What was that?
You know somebody blew their account right now.
Already, Moose?
No, not me.
Oh.
You know, somebody in the stream was like, I got it.
Hopefully not. Hopefully everybody's staying safe today.
And I'm like, oh yeah, I see this. And then the market's like, yeah, right.
Yeah, like today may be a no trade day for myself.
Today looks ugly.
I just want and this is what happens when I tell the market I want to make like $4 grand. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he wants to make $4 grand.
Graduation on Tuesday?
What was that?
Gee, were you at a graduation on Tuesday?
Nah.
Oh.
Why,
I thought I saw you from a distance.
Oh, nah.
Good morning, Travis.
You know, at my height, I could only see up until a certain extent, you know?
For everybody on the YouTube streams, good morning. Welcome to the live stream for the morning session where we're trading the NQ futures Monday through Friday, but this week it's Monday through Thursday. Make sure you're hitting those like buttons on those streams for me. It helps YouTube push these streams to people just like yourself. Quality traders that want to win the markets to secure their financial freedom. Welcome, everybody. We're patiently waiting. We got news at 9:45 a day. So we're just holding and waiting. Market's not really doing anything. So if it's not doing anything, that means we ain't doing anything. And that's how it works. This is straight just chop. Straight chop. Hopefully, I may have to since no, maybe I don't do that. I'm like, hey, we may have to stream some of the agent session at night from the office. See if we get better moves over there at night. But probably not. Yeah, bro, but that waiting is hard, bro. Uh, 29,500 massive sell limit order. Okay. Well, right now the market ain't doing jack diddly, so we're just waiting. We're just waiting.
What kind of news coming out at 9:45? I'm saying.
Let me pull it up. Hold on. So the news at 9:45 is S&P Global Comp PMI, Manufacturing PMI, and Global Services PMI. That's 9:45. Then at 10:30 we got natural gas, 11 Fed Composite Index, and Fed Manufacturing. So that's what we got for those two. And we're just holding and waiting. That it is. That it is. You know, we get paid to be patient. Let me turn my fan down because I'm getting cold up here. You know what I'm saying?
AC really works.
Oh, my AC be kicking. And I know when I gotta go like vacuum out like the line on my AC unit when the house isn't as cold as it normally gets. Well, I gotta vacuum it. I don't gotta bring a tech out to do it. I can do it myself for that part.
Nice. Save yourself a couple bucks.
You know, man's man over here. You know what I'm saying? And then I come in, yeah, baby, I fixed the AC unit. You know, little does she know all I did was take a vacuum, shop vacuum the line out. All right, we got news coming out in less than 10 seconds. 8 seconds left. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the news. Oh, man. The market did literally nothing. The countdown wasn't even necessary on that one. Next news will be at 10:30. Next news will be at 10:30. What was that?
We had a 15-minute retracement. The last candle even looks ugly as hell.
We have no flags right now, so.
No, not right now. Don't take nothing.
Yeah. I'm getting ready to start running around my office in a minute, so I don't have to look at these charts. This is crazy. What's up, Brett? Good morning, brother. My Canadian brother has entered the chat. Let's go.
What up, Brad? Where you been, Brad?
What's up, Adam? My Egyptian brother has entered the chat. You know what I'm saying? I got so many brothers. I love it.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. My Mexican brother is on the Zoom call. Another day in paradise, Brett. I remember there was a Friday when I think I was going to San Antonio earlier this year. When the market, it was a Friday though. The market was literally just doing this to like 10:20. I had boarded the plane like at 10:30, 10:45. I was able to make like $1,000 in like 5 minutes because the market started moving. We took some trades, but dang, that day was watching paint dry. That's like today right now. We're watching paint dry literally in front of our eyes. Always here for the bros. Appreciate you, fam. Appreciate you, bro. This thing is just sitting. Just sitting in this. We've been consolidating since about 6:45 this morning, and we're still in the consolidation zone. So there's no reason to touch this thing until we start seeing some flags, some momentum. Till then, we're literally in the middle of the 15-minute range, boys. All right, so I'll give you the high and low of this 15-minute range. The high would be 268.50. 268.50 is the high. The low today's range is 174. 174. So with that being said, we're sitting in the middle of this 15-minute range. We have a pivot point on Tradeify's 2-minute chart, 195. So for me, I want to get below that 195 with some solid momentum if I'm looking for a short. If I'm looking for a long, I want to get above the VWAP, which is sitting up at 266.25. 266.25. Want to get above there with momentum for me to be able to take a long. Till the market truly wants to move, we're holding and waiting. And you know I'm not trying to touch the mouse because my arms are crossed, just chilling. And once again, like the previous sessions this week, we got these candles with these crazy wicks on them on both ends. And when you have them on both ends, that means there's no clear direction. Good morning, watcher. Hopefully you're staying safe in these slow, choppy markets this morning, brother. So who's taking a trade today? If you've taken a trade today, say me in the chat. If you haven't, say flat. Yep, Niner made his money from Puerto Rico. The man went to Puerto Rico and he's still printing. Love to see it. BP missed 2 entries. Johnson's flat. Roots is up 300. Let's go. Noah's flat. Hey, I'm in good company. A couple of y'all are flat. I'm sitting with y'all. Coming down to this pivot point. Like I said, I want to get below that 195 level. with momentum, if I want to start looking for like a short opportunity, I'm just not trusting this market today. Because the middle of today's range is right at 221.25. Stewart's flat as well. Okay. A lot of y'all are flat. Good job, boys. That's what I'm freaking talking about. No reason to risk it for the biscuit when they don't got gravy. You know what I'm saying? When the gravy ain't flowing, there's no reason to risk it for the biscuit. I don't know. That was a dad analogy or something because I used to be fat. Keyword used to be fat because your boy weighed in today. 304 still. So your boy's happy about that. I didn't gain weight because when I was sick, had that little congestion cold like a week ago. I dropped down 304. Then I weighed in again after I got better. I weighed 308. I don't like that. But today, 304 once again. So hopefully by the end of this month, we will be back in the 299.9 for all I care. Back in the 200s. And we're giving it. We're getting it done. Give me the butter biscuits. Hey, butter biscuits are good too. You know what I'm saying? I was just saying we want gravy or some extra butter. Look at the chop, boys. There's no reason to touch this. Like, why did it just spike like that? People just got wrecked right there. Popping out above the VWAP. Just broke out the... Like, this thing is trying to crush people today.
I think I'm gonna bust up the wing today and not trade.
Oh, I'm sitting back.
Dude, I have missed 3 entries already, and I'm like, I know I'm being patient, but it's just like, all right, this has got to be the one where I just have a little more backbone on it.
I'm waiting for the wicks to clear up.
Yep.
For shorts, I'd want to see us go recorrelate and take out Asia on NQ, but other than that, we still have the S&T with Asia because ES already took Asia, and that's why we keep spiking. Is because the same candlestick that's responsible for taking Asia keeps holding up the market.
On ES though, correct?
Yeah, and then the correlated candle on NQ would be the candlestick at 931 if you're looking at the 1 minute chart at least.
All right, so we just broke out the 15-minute range. Just tapped the close from yesterday, 278.50. We're above that now. All right, let's see if we start getting some movement here. Would love to see a flag form. I'm going to bring my doodle up. Back into the 15 here. We got 7 minutes for 10. 7 minutes for 10 o'clock here. We got a new candle on the 2-minute game ready to form in 5 seconds. What's up, Tim? Good morning, brother. Come on, Betsy. We're below the VWAP. Like, I'm not trying to take it long below the VWAP right now. All right, we're back above the VWAP, breaking out the 15-minute range once again.
Duke is marked within the scope of the ticket. AT&T is clear of the excavation site.
What he said.
Oh, shit.
We'll take that. 630 on that trade right there. Let's freaking go. First trade of the day, 630. Felt like Moose there for a second. I thought my feet were going to start sweating. $630 on the first trade. We came up to the first target. We were like 2 ticks off from hitting my first target here, 315.75. 315.75 was my first target. We just printed 630. Glad I waited. We are approaching 10 o'clock, so I'll probably be holding and waiting for 10 o'clock at this point, unless I see some type of good old momentum with a potential flag, if that could be possible today. Ant-Man, what's up, bro? Welcome back, brother. Patiently waiting, boys. Patiently waiting. Let me move my doodle up just a little bit higher. You know what I'm saying? Because that's all I'm looking for. You know what I'm saying? We broke through my yellow line with some good follow through. That's why I jumped in on that trade. Yeah, I gotta see, where does that put me with that Tradeify account? Okay, I'm torn. Like, I have one of my Tradeify accounts that's screaming at me. It's screaming at me to take a payout. It's like in my eyes when I look at it, it's flashing the green. It's not flashing, but right now I could take like $1,000 payout on that account. But I want more. You know what I'm saying? I want to keep adding to it. That's why I said if I made like $4,000 today, maybe then I'll take a payout. I know, self-control, boys. We're waiting. Hopefully we get some good flag plays today. Slight consolidation right now in these Renko bars. We're holding, we're waiting, we're anticipating. We're back below, well, now back above the close from yesterday, 278.50. I feel like this is possibly going to give us another bull flag here. But I do not like, keyword, I do not like that wick that took us to the 315 there. Like, the wicks this week, I have not been liking. Let's see what we get here.
Longs or shorts?
What was that?
I was asking if someone jumped in on longs or shorts.
Oh, that wasn't me. My hands are up, boss. My hand.
That gotta be Carmona.
Carmona or Moose?
Yeah,
It wasn't me.
I'm already down 300, so I'm just being patient. Hopefully I don't blow it.
We're below the VWAP right now. We are below that VWAP. If we don't get above the VWAP, bro, I would kill the trade. And yeah, I'm not liking that action right there. I would kill it, bro. That's me. Yeah, I would kill that.
But I'm still alive.
I would kill that. Even if it pops back up, don't want you going in too much drawdown. You know what I'm saying? We got that buying pressure that just stepped in, but be careful. We got wicks on both sides right now. We got a wick up top on that previous candle and wick on the bottom. Be careful. The longer you stare to more you make trades. Be careful. You don't have to trade all day, every day. Oh, none of us here trade all day, every day whatsoever. If you trade all day, every day, right, you miss the purpose of trading. And that's real, because the purpose of trading is to give yourself time freedom and financial freedom. But if you're physically in front of a chart all day, every day, you don't have your time freedom because you're still working. But cool thing about trading is you can take a step back, trade for an hour a day, make your money, and go about your day. And I love that. We're coming up to my yellow line. Let's see what we get here. Look at that wick on that 5 minute. Let's see if we get another break. I want to target that 315, but I need to see some good momentum pushing through my line here.
I just need to hit buy and I pass this account. I just can't hit the button. I just need 220.
Oh, I need to make 392 on eval, get it funded today, because I hit the profit goal with Tradeify. They got me for the micro scalping. So I need to trade longer than 10 seconds to make 392, and that one will be funded. No, this is the 2-minute, Ant-Man. This is the 2-minute. Yeah, being very careful up here. Here comes my yellow line. How do I close at 380? Got $130. Smack, bro.
I couldn't press it. I tried, but I didn't.
I don't like the buoyancy up there. We got a lot of selling pressure. Right above, or right at my first target here, right at my first target. That 315.75 level. That was my first target. We had a lot of like buoyancy right there. I would love to see us build a flag above that 315.75 level. Like above that, if we could build a flag right there, we'll keep pushing higher. Give me a flag. Let me switch over to that eval now, actually. See if I could get that 392. We did not pull back to build us a flag. My second target is 363. 363 is my second target here for today's session. And that target would be 100. No, not 100. First target was 50, so 100% away from the 15-minute. Say it with your chest, Duane. Jesus.
290 on that trade. Did a quick 290.
Hey, make your smoney's, bro. I want to see a flag get built, but we keep getting these massive wicks. That's what has had me hesitant this week. Those wicks on those candles this week, while I'm looking for the flag, but then we have a massive selling wick for an area that I'm looking for a bull flag, I don't get excited. Come on, Betsy. Build a little flag. I'm at Oregon, bro. I heard it's gorgeous out there. Like the way everything is out there. Is that true? Is it like really nice out there aesthetically? There's that selling pressure. Bulls trying to step in right there.
Well, I thought it was going up. The hell?
I should, but I'm waiting. I'm gonna get ready to close this. Bulls aren't stepping the way I would want them to.
Right. coming in heavy now. Sellers.
Let's see if we get this push here. Lots of selling pressure right now.
Damn. Going down. Gonna go for, are you gonna touch the VWAP?
Hey, this is a Pope.
Hey, Steve, what's up, bro?
There he is.
What's up, Steve?
What's up, John Turkey?
I got some lifting done. It was like an opportunity to do it in the morning, so.
Woo.
Hey, let's get it.
Get that little exercise in. I feel you, babe.
That's it. Oh yeah, I got some iron in our diet.
All right. Go.
Did some monster sets. It was awesome.
Ooh, man, y'all see that wick?
Ah, just got ran through right there.
Now you caught that move, but it was in the wrong direction.
I know, but that's on me.
So every
And watch it pop now. Watch it pop up.
Hey, baby pop. So how you been doing in the trading so far?
So far on funded accounts, I'm like $800 green for the day in fundeds.
Okay.
Who would you? Ant-Man, I would recommend. I know, Chandler, I know. I was hoping and praying. But watch it, it's gonna pop. And when it does, I'm gonna get annoyed.
No, well, you could always jump back in. So
No.
not to be annoyed. That 5 minute, man, the wicks are crazy, but that could be a nice bull flag ticket downtown. But whoa, I'm on MES. Hang on just a second. I'm just making sure that my intel still is good. So hang on.
Yo, I'm still laughing off of the baby bop, man. That was wild. I'm gonna stick with that one. That one's good.
Hey, Carmona, how are you doing on this today's session?
At first.
Well, I didn't get filled there.
down
That's annoying.
600, and now I brought it back. I'm only down 200. But I'm being patient because these wigs are frustrating.
Oh yeah, no, I can see. I'm looking at it right now. How about you, BP?
I'm doing all right. I'm trying to pass this account. I'm like so close, and I just can't press the button.
Well, I always use your intuition, man.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's
Man, if I was so close, I would go micro. Me.
Yeah, no, I'm a fan of that too, but sometimes I get shouted down on that one, Carmona. Like, no, macro everything, mega.
Let's see, we get the flag right here. I'll be expecting some type of a bull flag.
Looking like a bull flag.
And right now we have no top wick on it. So that makes me excited.
Is that good?
It should be.
Okay.
That means there's not selling pressure right there.
Oh yeah.
Just waiting for that follow through on with the momentum, and we're going to take a trade here. Consolidating slightly right here, so we're just waiting.
Last time it was up here, it dropped.
That it did.
We're waiting. We're anticipating.
Hey, let's go, bro. Let's go. We have no top wick on this candle, so.
It's awesome when you trade with a pump, Dwayne. You should try it.
I can't trade after working out because I've done it and I suck at trading. I don't know. I get antsy.
We were doing pyramids and 4 set. That's like brutality. Where's your line?
Let me rotate back to this one, just in case we get something here. So we got above that first target again, and then coming back down with no selling wick on that first initial candle. So we're gonna have to wait. We're coming down to the close from yesterday, the 780, 278.50. 278.50 was the close from yesterday. VWAP and 21 EMA right there. We go. Just tap both of them. Yeah,
Man,
we
look
made.
at how close they are. Damn.
We're right here. We got all this stuff all in the same area right here. The 21, the VWAP,
Oh, it's a whole enchilada. It's the burrito supreme.
and the high of the 15-minute range.
So we're gonna have a waterfall or what?
If we do, I'm ready for it.
Well, Dwayne would like to see.
Fingers on the trigger if we start waterfalling. I'll go with the momentum quick. But we got this 21.
Oh.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, that's like a rug pull. How many people lost their ass on that right
Like,
there?
Jesus. No, I may be done. Seeing something like that, I may be freaking done. Wow.
You didn't even have a chance to finish your sentence, and it was just like, bloom. Oh my goodness. That was like, what? That's
Yeah,
dangerous
careful.
right
Careful. This 253 level acting as like some support right now.
there. Acting as like a mortar launcher. Boom.
That was scary. Just got tagged in. 734. Oh, I should have waited a little bit more. That would have been $1,000. There we go. 735 on this account. put 630 on the other account, up over 1,000 plus in fundeds. We'll take that for the day. Let's wait to see if we get a bear flag here. I would not mind that. I got logged back in. Why I got logged back in? That's weird. I've been logged in all session, but I got logged in now. Oh, I need one more. Oh, that's so trash. I need one more trading day. Hey, let's go, Travis. Let's freaking go, bro. Let's see if we build us a little bear flag here. We're right at the middle of the 15-minute range as well. So I'd be very cautious until we get below that. 221.25 is the middle of that 15-minute range. Look at the 5-minute wick. Like, ugh. These wicks this week. I hate having all these candles with all these wicks. And look at this push right back up. Get ready to tap the 21. There's the 21 EMA tap. Get ready to tap that VWAP as well. Let's see what we get. Iran wants to make a permanent Hormuz toll. That's pretty smart for them. That's income. Ant-Man, have a good day, bro. Stay safe out there. Are we going to get a bear flag here? Sounds like they're trying to get blown up. Hey, they're trying to find a way to make some money. That's it. Come on, break below my yellow line. Come on, market. Oh boy, coming down to my yellow line. Get ready to tap it. There's the tap.
That's crazy. I did not get filled. I pressed short finally.
That was crazy. I was over $100 and then I jumped out, and I owe them $3.75.
I'm sorry about that.
Like what? Coming down to the whole number. Oh, Duane went in right at the whole number.
Come on. Come on. There we go. Bam! Check it out! That's what I'm freaking talking about, boys.
Yo, congrats. That was sick.
I was waiting. I knew we were going to do something. $3,000 day right there. Well, not 3,000. I stand corrected.
With that, Asia is taken.
That's what I'm freaking talking about. One freaking trade right there. Hey, they can't get me for micro scalping on that one. I was holding the exit button. I'm like, come on, Betsy. I see the move. Give me the flush.
That was a mega scalp.
That was a mega scalp.
You were in too long, sir. You need to. I'm just kidding.
Well, now I will have to take before going to my daughter's graduation. One trade in the morning. I need less than $200, and I'll take a payout tomorrow. Well, I can take $3,000 out tomorrow, technically. But we'll see if I do that. And this thing's still flushing. We got the overnight low, 113.50 coming up. We just hit the first target, 127. 127 was the first target I had from the 15-minute range there. Let me rotate off that account. Let's see if we get another move over here. Just have to pivot on Ninja Trade, but I have I hate my pivots this week. They have not been lining up. And I don't like that. 195 is my trading view pivot. We had a pivot at 157.75 on Ninja Trader. Just hit a banger trade for over $1,000. So your boy is like super happy about that. Let's see if we build another bear flag down here. And we wait once again. Let's see if we retest the low of that 15. That's a potential thing that we should do. Whenever we break out the range, we always retest the low and then we continue out. If we're going to be going in that same direction. There's the low of the range getting tapped. There we go. Are we going to reject here and take us lower? But at this point, I'm sitting back waiting.
Yeah, it's too buoyant.
Come on, Betsy. What we going to do? All right, we're back below the 15-minute range. I'll be looking if we get below that 157.75 on the Ninja Trader. That's a pivot point right there. I would be looking for a short under there most likely. But I don't want to take a short above it. Come on, Betsy. Give us some good action. We trying to make some more monies. All right, bull stepping in. Getting ready to tap the trading view pivot. $195 is the trading view pivot. If we lose the low of this 15-minute range and get below that 157, that'd be a shorting opportunity. Coming down to that pivot. There's the pivot. Ooh, look at that bounce right off of it. That's why we wait for the follow through.
Let's make the magic happen.
All right, that pivot's acting as some support right now. Be careful. Don't want to jump in if we keep bouncing off that. We got news in 5 minutes. News in less than 5 minutes now, actually. We're back in the low of the 15-minute range. What's up, Kenneth? Hopefully you're doing well today. Buzz.
Yeah, 4 minutes, man.
This is looking like a textbook bear flag right there, too. Textbook bear flag. Just waiting to see if it wants to drop before that news comes out. I'm not finger on the trigger, but I'm close to it. We got some buying pressure here, though. We do have some buying pressure. Like I said, I want to get below that 157. Below that 157.75 with follow through. That would be the opportunity. We got to see the follow through, though.
One of those.
I'm not liking the Rinko dance right now. I'm waiting for the full flush through the yellow line at this point. Because we are getting closer, but
hey, look, that's a big old butt, like the lady on the third row of the church choir be having. 2.5 minutes till news.
Thank you, Steve. The Bears are trying to stay below this pivot, but they're having issues. They're having issues, so I'm not very confident that it wants to keep going down right now because these bulls keep stepping in right there. And we got to be careful. Look at that buying look at that wick on that 2-minute. That's why we wait for the full follow through on the flags.
Oh yeah, there's like a lot of them.
Very buoyant right there. Very buoyant.
Where you get these flags from, man?
Huh?
I said, where you get the song from?
Is it good or not good?
No, good.
You know what I'm saying? Okay, as long as it's good, I gotta make sure first.
I'm like, okay. Like,
I only come with the bangers, bro.
Looks like you're thinking away from the screen, Duane. Like,
Yeah, I don't want to watch the markets.
Like, wait a second, like something wrong with Duane. He's turning into like you're at the cousin's table, like during when you're like with a 2-year-old or something. It's like, what happened?
Oh, it was so funny. Like at my youngest son's like award ceremony yesterday, and class party. He has his graduation tomorrow night. But it was so funny to see parents sitting on like the kid chairs because these are like only for kids. And I'm not sitting on that. I'm gonna crush the whole thing. The legs are gonna go out. Like, no, thank you. It was hilarious. My son was named the Gentle Giant for his class for this year. Yeah, right now we got 3 candles with buying wicks. I would not be going short right now.
Yeah, we have less than 20 seconds on that news.
Less than 20 seconds. Thank you for that call out, Steve. Get ready, boys. Make sure you hit that like button and that sub button on the YouTube stream. Only place that's real is here with us trading. No fluff, no finesse. Here comes that news. There's the news. Oh, man. They didn't even move the market. If we're going to go up, I will be wanting to see a bull flag form. Because it looks like a bear flag's trying, but all right. Bulls taking it up.
Sellers getting trapped. They're going to get trapped.
Just tap the 21 EMA, just crossed through the middle of the 15-minute range as well.
Let's not diddle in that middle.
Yeah, we're not diddling. Let's see if we build a flag now. A bull flag at this point. Because we've negated that bear flag we are looking for. I think that updates at in the evening. I forget, when does that update? No, today. No, technically that's right.
We
Actually,
can hear Duane's inner thoughts right now.
Okay, that hasn't updated yet.
My goodness. Come on, let's get something going. There's a flag forming on the Camarillo pivot on the 1 minute.
All right, I'm back. We're below the 21 EMA here. We're below the middle of the 15-minute range. I would want to see a potential bull flag form to take us higher. I would not be looking at jumping in until we get above the middle of the 15-minute range and we push a little bit further away from it.
Well, there's a Camarillo pivot on like 2023 or
2023. Okay.
223. Sorry. So it's like something that, and it's respecting it right now. So keep that in mind on the top side.
Thank you. I'm probably going to need to add those in because the market does respect them.
It does. I mean, I use them for another kind of trading, but they've only helped me see the areas of support and things. It's definitely a very tangible thing. So.
Yeah.
Air flag continuation or failed breakdown leading force.
Well, we got this massive selling wick on the 5-minute. And it's just getting bigger and bigger for the wick. I just don't like how we pushed how high we did. But this, if the Bears take it, this is going to be one gnarly. Yes, your boy said gnarly. Flag.
Let's see where you got your lines. Okay. It's really tough because of all those wicks, man.
And that's been all week, right? If the wicks weren't as much, I would say, or not as pretty as much, it'd be way easier.
Well, between the wicks and then like the rug pulls that came, where it was just like, okay, unless you've got like, your stop loss is like, 400, 800 ticks.
Yeah.
You're done. Come on, Bessie.
Blood smell a drop?
We don't know what you smelling over there, but maybe.
Blood smell a drop?
Let the feet drop.
I just don't want to get faked out. That's my whole thing right now. I don't want to get faked out.
Shit, I got I'm doodling it. Look like it's about to touch my yellow line.
He's got all kinds of, he's probably got like 10 yellow lines right now. He's like,
Just one, dude. I only got one. That's what I'm doodling.
Yep, the doodles help. The doodles do help. Yeah, that's going to be the fake out. That's going to be the fake out for the short. It's going to be a fake out. Looking at that 2-minute, we're trying to, the bulls are trying to do a bull flag right there. Yeah, this thing is getting ready to pump. Let's get through the 21 in the middle of that 15-minute range. There's the 21 in the middle. Let's pump through there. Let's get to my freaking yellow line and let's rocket ship.
No wick on that. There's no wood. Little wick on a 2-minute.
We're right here. We're right below the middle of the 15-minute range. Coming up to my yellow line. We want the full follow through here.
We need it.
Yeah, I just noticed that as well. We have 236.75. That's the high of that wick. I may want to get above that before jumping in. Yeah, that's what I'll probably be waiting for. BP, how you doing over there, bro? How you doing, fam?
I ended up getting spiked out on a bad candle, and I ended up.
Let me close that. My bad. My bad. What was that, BP? I took a trade. I didn't get filled. I had a rush to close it.
Oh no, you're good. I said I ended up finally clicking the button. I got spiked, and I took a bad loss, unfortunately. But it's all good. The account's fine. I'll just have to trade it again a different day.
Yeah. Well, there was the move I was trying. I did not get freaking filled, and that's going to annoy me.
I didn't get filled either. These, I'm just messing with them, but I gotta be pissed that was my main account.
That is so freaking aggy. That is so freaking aggy right there. Man. That's stupid. That's stupid. That'd been like another $1,000 right there. And we needs that.
Let's see, is it gonna get past the VWAP and keep pumping?
Well, it's all right. What do we know? The flags always repeat themselves.
I got that part.
Let's move the line up. We wait for another push through the yellow line with momentum. But we got that 253 right there. I want to get through that there as well before I jump in. So I move that line up a little bit more there. So stupid, bro. I timed it perfectly. I jumped in right when I wanted to. Didn't get filled.
Everything has been latency today.
There's a 253 tab. We want to get above it. Oh, we got that VWAP right there as well. Right above that. VWAP sitting at 256.
256.97.
Yours is 97, mine's 256.75. But
Why you always
we're on the same driveway. We're on the same driveway.
Yeah.
So we'll take
we can share barbecue from the backyard.
exactly. We'll take that.
If there isn't a move here, and it's like, oh, just gonna come back later, man. Come on.
Just patiently waiting. We got 20 more minutes for 11 here. 20 minutes for their 11. There is 11 o'clock news today. So let's keep that in mind when we're executing trades. I want to try putting a little bit more in this account. But we're holding and we're waiting. I got to see the move I want in order for me to jump in. And that's not the move I wanted. Right back down to the middle of that 15-minute range right there. Like, don't diddle in the middle, boys. That's all I know. Don't diddle in the freaking middle. Are we going to use that? I'm not. Since I missed that last move, I'm now like, ugh. Because that was 236 to. Oh, Nellies. Oh, Nellies. What is this? I'm no longer looking for a long right now, I'll tell you that. With that pullback like that. What if this is one massive, I mean massive bear flag? Looking at that 5 minute. If this is one massive bear flag, just know this thing is going to dumpy dump. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl.
Sorry, guys. I was a little busy on a phone call. How we
All right.
looking?
You're good. Market's moving a little bit now.
I'm at 440 right now.
Hey, let's go.
So I took it earlier.
That's your target, bro. 29,113 if we dump. Johnson, possible. That's the Asian low. What's that? 1350 or that 13. So that is possible.
I want to see this 15-minute close bullish, and if it stays below the VWAP, I think we could drop.
VWAP drops.
Yeah. If we stay below the VWAP at the next 2 minutes, we can possibly drop.
The closer and closer we get to 11, the more I don't want to trade anymore. Listen, I made like $2,500 in funded account, so I'm.
Damn. Nice.
Let's see if we get above this VWAP. Maybe I'll want to enter. We got that 253 coming up.
Hey, when's the last time you saw J-Bones?
A couple weeks ago. I'm actually hanging out with him today a little bit.
Oh, good.
Let's see here, Betsy. Betsy, what are you trying to do, girl? You good, G?
Order filled.
I said, oh, that's what I heard. Oh boy. That's not good. Whenever you hear traders like making random sound, ooh, no, just know something bad happened.
Or please.
That, or if I'm holding the wall, just know I'm in a trade I shouldn't have taken.
You okay over there?
Yeah, I'm good.
We're below the middle of the 15-minute range here.
Yeah, you need to set my yellow lines.
That's what I've been waiting for something to get tapped here, bro. It's like
It's close.
10 seconds.
it's playing hard to get right now. We're back above the 21 EMA and the middle of the 15-minute range.
Close above it. Your mother.
Not your mother. That's crazy. Show some respect, Moose.
Put some respect on my name.
We may be doing a bull flag here on the 5-minute as well. Possibly. I'm just like, right now, I need to see an A++ setup for me to want to take another trade. Full port sweating. Bro, sometimes it happens that way.
What's that VWAP, please?
Oh, God, not when you're begging. Please touch the VWAP, please. Please.
It'll
Please.
Pretty please.
Very top. Yeah.
We have news at 11, so it's about 15 minutes.
Yeah, I want to push through my yellow line and get above that 253 level for me to be able to take a long there. But until we do that, I'm hiding from the market. I'm going to just look this way. Like, I can't. We're just patiently waiting back down to the middle of the 15-minute range.
$285, baby.
Let's go.
On a sell. 767 right now. No, it's not. Shut up, Alexa. Me too.
Alexa,
That's when you know you have anger issues, when you're yelling at Alexa.
Alexa, stop listening. Man, yo.
Alexa, make coffee.
He's worse than my kid's mother.
Is this going to be one massive bear flag? Ugh. I need to see the momentum.
I've been sitting here for a New York minute. Let's make the magic happen, damn it.
It needs to do something.
That's why it's a New York minute, because we take forever.
Come on, Bessie. What we going to get? What we going to get? I just hate these wicks. I hate these wicks this week. Like, so many freaking wicks. And you're trying to be as safe as possible. And these wicks do not help.
I need $300 more and I'm good. I should have taken it though. Look at the 300 right there.
Just had another 250 right there. Just a quick little snipe. Feel like this thing's going to keep rolling. We're through my bottom yellow line on the 2 minute.
I need a retracement. 2-minute retracement, please.
And here comes another wick. Jesus, bro.
Yes, sir. Retracement, baby. Let's go.
Yo, these wicks today have absolutely been crazy.
Oh, look at that. That's a nice drop. Oh, man. Go up again.
I didn't get filled there, which is Aggie, bro. That's two solid trades, bro. Oh, God. Yeah, I may stop trading because that's the second time that's happened to me today where I did not get filled.
I'm not happy with the lazy today, but I did get green on some things. So I'm just, I'm kind of waiting to see what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
And you're in the final 10 count for the next news.
Yep.
9 minutes. So is it like just somebody named Geraldine bought a car, or is it actual news that we need to hear?
Let's actually take a look. It will be The Fed Composite Index and the Fed Manufacturing. That's at 11.
Because some of these news things are kind of dubious. Okay, like, what do you even mean?
I treat my trades like steak and let them sit and marinate. Well, more power to you.
That's a, you know, I mean, I'm a master.
Say it again?
I'm a master at like doing marinade, but I never thought of it like that.
You know, after a while, marinade spoils.
Yeah, we got these wicks. We have these wicks here where I'm not feeling it with these wicks.
Yeah, they're fighting for every tick, man. Look at how tight these candles are.
Yeah. Sometimes you gotta dry age the trades. I don't know about that one, bro.
Somebody's hungry over there?
Bro, it's not even 11 o'clock. You talking about steaks already. Maybe steak and eggs. You know what I'm saying? Like, my trades be marinating in funk. Sorry to hear that. That's not good. If you're on the YouTube streams, make sure you're hitting that like button on the horizontal and the vertical stream. We appreciate you guys tuning in and hang out with us and trade every single morning, Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. We go live to help you guys trade. And you're listening to all the voices in the background with me. Those are the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society, my private trading community, helping traders win each and every day in the markets. Because I know how powerful this is, and I know what it can do for you. Hopefully you're enjoying. Don't forget to hit that like button and that freaking sub button. I think we're only like 10 or 11 or 10 people away from 3,000 subs. Mind you, back in last November, we had less than 400 subs. And we're getting ready to hit 3,000 in less than a year. That's crazy. Freaking crazy. Thank you, everybody that's been tuning in. And thank you, market makers, everybody on the chat or on the call with me, because you guys have kept me motivated and pushing each and every day. So thank you, Steve, Carmona, BPG, and Mr. Moose himself. Thank you, boys, because you guys keep me dialed. Iron sharpens iron. Yeah, I appreciate y'all.
Thank you for that.
Thank you
And
for having us.
And then, you know, we gotta admit that is the real Moose. That is not an imposter.
That is the real Moose. You know when Moose gets on the morning call, he's like,
Oh, good morning.
morning. You know what I'm saying? That's how he hits the morning. You awake, bro? Before you say morning, he rolling right out of bed onto the computer.
I'm still wiping off my drool.
Yeah, we got these buying wicks. So I'm probably going to stop trading.
Yeah, I'm done already.
Like, it was a solid day. It was a solid day today.
It was great. It was great. I made 767. I'm good. You know, little more, and I'm good. But I'm done.
Let me see what I did today. No, the screen may be black. I'm not taking a trade, so don't you worry. $806. So $2,495.88 for on the day. So we'll take that. I did blow an eval today, though. Not gonna lie. That eval that I said I needed $392 for the microscope, I blew.
No way.
I did.
No, yes, way.
I did. Hey, I'm a real trader. It happens sometimes. But I will take a payout today from Tradeify. So
You're not a robot?
it is what it is. I am not a robot. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna take $1,000 pay on one account today, and then tomorrow on the other account, I'll just, because I gotta put $150 in, just for the trading day. Just for the trading day. That account I've only traded this week is up to pretty much $3,000. So I'll probably do a $1,500 payout, or I'll maybe just take out maybe 1,000 on that one. Leave the extra in there just for that extra buffer. But yeah. And then next week, we'll be shooting for at least a $4,000 to $6,000 payout, and we just keep it moving.
Keep it moving. $2 minutes, 45 seconds to news.
Yep, and we're sitting right in the middle of the 15-minute range. So you freaking gotta love that, boys.
Come on now. I want this candle stay bearish. It's 15, 2 minutes.
Hey, for all the new folks in here, if you have not already hit that sub button on today's stream, make sure you do so. We are 9 people away from hitting 3K. That's pretty crazy.
And then a desk giveaway, right?
Yeah, gonna be doing a desk giveaway once we hit 3K.
Shit, let me clear my living room. Hey, I'm Spanish, so you know some of us got like 6 different names. Can I throw 4 of them in there?
Edgardo Montoya Gonzalez Usando.
Exactly. What are you staring at me for, guy?
He's probably hungry. He wants to lick the floors again.
Bro, I just
Alexa,
fed him.
stop staring.
All right, we got news. Minute 30. Get a bulldog, it'll be fun. All right, we're starting to push up here. We're breaking through my yellow line on my 5-minute chart, on the 5-minute chart there. But we got news in less than a minute, so that's why I'm not like, oh my gosh, I need to take a long. No, thank you.
It could be the perfect setup if you think about it. You don't have to think about it, it's fine. Come on, this is gonna be the big setup we've been waiting for. Here we go.
3 seconds. There's the news. So dramatic.
There might be a hidden news that's like at this point every candle has news compared to that.
Yeah, I feel like we may try pushing once we get above the 253 level. But right now, there's not much momentum.
I think it's a good time to come back tomorrow, feel the week, kick ass.
Steve, I'm in complete agreement with you.
Because
Come.
this is kind of, I mean, you can sit and try to work this, but I think it's going to move better tomorrow.
Well, you guys enjoy that because I will not be live tomorrow morning, sadly. I do have to try taking a trade from my phone to make $150. Or do it right before I leave to go to my daughter's school, which is thankfully right next to the neighborhood. So.
Yeah, so what time is that ceremony? You said 10 o'clock?
Yeah, it starts at 10.
He's like, wait, is like, are you sure?
Guys, I'll smell you later.
All right, Moose, have a good one, brother.
Later.
So we're going to try putting $150 in that account tomorrow. If I do, I'll request a payout, and that will be posted in the community, and I'll show up during the Traders Hangout as well. But I'm going to get out of here. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe in these choppy old markets. And I'll catch y'all tonight for the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Just not my whole desk there. 9:30 p.m. Eastern tonight. We're talking trading, talking life, fireside, and we're excited to see you there. Market makers.
Are you going to be ready to jump in the pool tonight? Because think that you could pass that $3,000.
That could happen tonight. And if it does, I'll be ready.
All right.
Rob will be proud.
Rob would definitely be proud. All right, boys. You guys stay safe out there.
All right, later.
Take care.
Have a good one.
Yep, later, BP.
All right, G, Carmona, Steve, BP. Enjoy your day. I'm gone. Watcher, you have a good one as well, brother. Stay safe in these markets, everybody. Deuces. Your boy's out.